Hi guys, I just bought Bergeon 7010 yesterday. This is a black plastic stick which is used to press pieces of watch movement. It looks cool and awesome. The price I bought is around, let me calculate. I bought it around $8. I think it's quite expensive because the quality of the stick is not really good. Without Bergeon screen on this, I would think it is a Chinese made because there are some like sharp edges from like plastic cut. This you can see there's some sharp edges even here, but this one I use sandpaper to make it smoother. I think everyone must use like sandpaper to make it smoother before using it. In the beginning is like the tip is too sharp. This tip as well, I use it a little bit like sandpaper number more than 2000. If you don't use it, it might scratch your watches. Alternatively, you can use like pegwood, can be bigger pegwood, and cut the tip like to your own, to the shape you want to, and press it. The pegwood will not scratch watches movement at all because the material is soft. It's even softer than this plastic. Some of my friends said this stick can scratch watch movements, but it is often seen that this stick is widely used in high quality watch service center, so I'm not really sure it is good or not. But if you don't want to buy it, you can use this. It's really fine. But this one, it looks nicer, you know, it looks more professional. That's all my review. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.